Hey there, Matt Maloney with Prime Mountain Properties, member of the Annie Maloney team, www.anniemaloney.com. We're out here today at 347 Caney Creek Road. It's a new listing getting ready to hit the market. It's a small little 2-bedroom cabin on a creek that you can see right behind me. It's a year-round creek, which is a wonderful, wonderful attribute to have for a short-term rental cabin, especially one that's going to be geared more towards honeymooners or just couples. It's a great, great location, just a few minutes off the parkway in between Pigeon Forge and Gatlinburg. Again, it's about just a little under 800 square feet, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Just a real great opportunity here, right in the heart of the Smoky Mountains. And again, the creek setting behind us is extremely rare to find. So when these things hit the market, they are just very popular and they go extremely quick. So let's go inside and check it out. Before we go in, you can take a quick look at the stream as it comes all the way down from behind these stretch of cabins here, and it just travels right alongside this cabin and continues all the way down. So it's a nice constant stream of water that just happens to flow all year long. So the deck is a wraparound porch. The porch is obviously meant to showcase the stream and allow people to just sit out here and relax. You can see it's a great location. You got the hot tub, which is very private with the privacy fencing on both sides. And you can just hear the stream in the background. Again, one of those rare finds. Not many properties like this that sit on creeks in the area. So again, when these things hit the market, they do tend to go pretty fast. And as soon as you walk in, come right into the kitchen area. It is a small kitchen, but still very functional. Plenty of cabinet space, full appliances, small little dinette set. This cabin's meant to sleep anywhere from 2 to 6 people. The norm is going to be between 2 and 4 people. So you can tell right off the bat when you come in, you do have this vaulted ceiling, so it's a wide open feel. The tall ceilings do make it feel a lot bigger than really what it is. Again, the whole thing is one level, just slightly under 800 square feet. So it is very well laid out. The open floor plan allows the space to be utilized here in the common area pretty well. You do have the main bedroom here right off the entry. It is a pretty large bedroom. Again, very tall ceilings. King size bed. Got the nightstand. Plenty of room on all sides of the bed. Plenty of room at the foot of the bed to the wall. A lot of times with these king size beds, you run into clearance issues of being able to walk around them without it being too terribly tight. You do have a full master bath off the bedroom as well. It's not a shared bath. It is the ensuite bath to this bedroom. You have the living room here. Got the stone fireplace. The fireplace is gas running off propane. And then on the opposite side here, you have the second bedroom. This could be used as a second bedroom like it's currently laid out, but it could also be a game room, a makeshift rec room. You could put a pool table in here if one so chose, but you do have a full bath in here as well. That is a queen size bed. You'd be hard pressed to get a king in here with that closet being there, but plenty of room, nice tall ceilings, and then the full bath. So just a great opportunity for a small little honeymooner type cabin. It's a great entry level type of investment for someone looking to jump into the short-term rental game here in the Smoky Mountains. This property has a ton of potential. It does need some updating, but somebody could come in here and, you know, put in the stainless steel appliances, put in the granite countertops, maybe change over all the flooring from the linoleum and the carpets, and put in some type of either LVT, which is luxury vinyl tile, or an engineered hardwood. Those things alone would completely change the whole look of this property, and it would just absolutely maximize its potential on a rental program. So again, 347 Caney Creek Road. It is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, just under 800 square feet. It will be hitting the market here in the next 24 hours. I believe list price is going to be $250,000. For more information, Matt Maloney, 865-719-2755, or you can reach Annie Maloney, 865-719-4930. Feel free to call the office direct, Prime Mountain Properties, 865-366-3456. As always, you can check our website for all listings in the MLS, www.anniemaloney.com. Feel free to reach out via text or email, Annie@anniemaloney.com.